So I pulled out some freestyles and I'm gonna chronicle or make a record of some of these things that were going on for me in my youth. So everybody's talking about problems. Well, I've got a way that we can solve them. Got a healthy rage that'll flow up on the stage, 'cause the world's in a daze. We're caught up in a maze. Like guinea pigs, they're testing us. They think that they're besting us. Well, we're getting wise, seeing through their very lies that are the foundation of our freedom and our nation. Because through the starving child's eyes, there's no worse demise than the one that is ours. While we're wasting our hours, nothing makes me sadder, nothing makes me madder than a greedy politician creating scandal after scandal. Made me be a little vandal. Spend, need more than we will lend. Like we're sinking further and deeper, and the walls are getting steeper, till you're a goner or you're stuck. And still they run amok. I've come to realize, and it comes as no surprise, that this is part of their structure that I've begun to rupture. Because of, instead of a slow bleed, I'd rather let it out and shed all my doubt. There's no need for this incessant greed. There are hungry people to feed, so I'd rather plant a seed and move on to a song than believe in something wrong. It's been going on too long, now it's time for it to stop. Cause it's time to rally and shout, cause I'm tired of seeing life without the fundamental things, like a bird that never sings. And oh how they sang, and oh how they sang. The birds will start to sing.